everybody, welcome to another episode of Manasa Reddy's channel. I hope you're all doing great. I wanted to share one of the most fondest memory from 2019, that is attending the Jean-Baptiste Valli x H&M pre-launch party. So how it happens is every year H&M collaborates with a lot of designers across the world. So one of the major designers that they collaborated last year was Valli, and he's an Italian designer and it's a couture design house, and this is the first time that he collaborated with H&M. So the collection had a lot of girly elements, a lot of pastel colors, a lot of tulle dresses. It was an amazing collection, seriously. I will also link down the fashion show in the bio, so those of you who love fashion and who are very interested to know more about how these things happen, so definitely watch the fashion show because it happened in such a beautiful place that I promise you that you're going to have a good time watching it. First the fashion show happened, and then there is a pre-launch event in all the countries that this collection is launched. So the pre-launch event for India happened in Delhi. So it happened in a place called Kila. I think it's in Mehrauli if I'm not wrong. So yeah, I flew from Hyderabad to Delhi for attending this. So there were like so many social media personalities, celebrities, media people, a lot of Delhi socialites. I was so privileged that I could wear Valli's clothes. So I will also show you pictures of the fittings that I was doing because I was creating my own look. And it was a very coincidental thing that my look actually resembled Ariana Grande so much because of the oversized hoodie, the long silver color boots, the high pony, everything. But yeah, definitely it was coincidental. I didn't plan on it because I was not even aware what I was going to wear. Do let me know if you like the look or if you think any of the other looks that I'm showing were better than that. Yeah, please put down your comments. I would love to read them. Talking about the venue was so beautifully decorated. Like the decor was the best decor that I've seen till date. It was done by Anu, and I will also link her ID. Anybody from Delhi, I highly recommend that you should take Anu if you are having like a party at your place or whatever party that you have. She is like extremely good at her job because she made the place look so beautiful. It was like walking in the heaven or something, okay? You can also see a glimpse because I'm definitely adding a lot of clips from the party. I don't think I have to speak anything. It will itself show you how beautifully she's done it. And the staircase, I have to give a special mention about the staircase because the staircase actually looked like it was a staircase to heaven, because I have not seen such a staircase where literally every single person was taking a photo. Like there was nobody who missed taking a photo over there. So you can understand how beautiful it was done. People were taking pictures when they were walking up, people were taking pictures when they were walking down. It was a staircase to remember. It was more than a night to remember. I think it was a staircase to remember. the celebrities included people like Shalina, Juhi Godambe, Miss Malini, and there were like so many people. Like I just don't remember at the moment, but then there were like so many people, and the collection was like a clean swipe out. I remember that people were like so mad that people were waiting actually that okay, if she drops off this dress on her hand, I'm going to pick it up immediately. Or people were even asking the other people that what size is that, what size is that, like, do you really want it? It was like that. One of the most exciting things for me in this is Kendall was the face of this collection, and I was super duper happy about that because I love Kendall so much. If you really want to check out more pictures of this event, use the hashtag HNMX Giambattista Valli to check out how this event happened in other countries, because even I did the same thing because I was also very keen to see how this event happened in other countries. I would definitely say like this is the most happening fashion party, because I think for me, since I did like a career switch, I shifted from a technology background to fashion background, and this is the kind of life that I've always imagined. More than anything else, for me, things that are related to fashion and things that I do related to fashion excite me the most and give me the most happiness. So going to this was like a very happy moment for me. So I made a beautiful memory that evening, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. So I hope you had a good time watching this video. And also I'm very excited with whom H&M is going to collaborate this year, because it's definitely going to be something very nice and exciting. So I will see you again next week. Bye bye.